Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, inside this video, I'm going to be doing my review on the new update to AppValley, that is the 2.0 update. Now, inside this video, the reason why I'm making this is to inform you guys about the update, of course, and another thing is that I've been talking to the developer on iMessage, and we figured I could make this video and I could ask you guys for help on how to make this app better. Now, when I say make this app better, I mean you guys could leave some suggestions in the comments on what would make this app look better, run better, or even be easier to use for you guys and for the rest of the general public inside of the non-jailbreak iOS community. And when I ask what could make it better, I don't mean add this app or that app or hacked Clash of Clans to make that better. I'm talking about you could tweak this category to look like this, make this look like that, add this, add that category, move this over here. I'm talking about things like that that you can do to change the way it looks or how certain things move or operate. So that's what I'm asking you guys to comment inside the description on what you'd like to see different inside of there. Me personally, I would like to see a giant ad pop up in the beginning of it that says subscribe to AJ170. I think that would make AppValley a lot better, and it would make it a lot neater too. So anyways, before we jump right into this video, guys, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on my iPhone now, and what you're going to do is go ahead and load up the link inside of the description and click on the install button for AppValley 2.0, and there it is right there. Once you click install, it'll ask you to install again. Go ahead and click install again, and there you go. You should be good to go. Go ahead and open up the app. I recommend enabling dark theme because without it, as you can see, there's a white film over every picture. And as I said earlier, I think that Life is Strange in the beginning should be replaced with an ad for AJ170. I'd pay for it, but that's just my opinion. As you can see, there's apps right here on the homepage of unlimited apps, which makes plus apps for you guys. If you want to install it, you can click get and get again, and it'll redirect you to Safari to install. I'll show you guys that later on. This is a brand new install actual app page right here. You can even report the app if it is not working or if it is too vulgarly intense for your eyes to see. You can request it to be removed, or if you're the developer of the app, you could probably request it to be removed. I don't know how that works. I don't know if that's true or not. Do not freeze me on that. As you can see, if you go through games or even the apps category, they do have the option to scroll through modded ones and normal ones. The updates category is actually apps that are either newly added to it or ones that have been updated from a previous version to a newer version. I'd recommend checking this every few days. I think right between updates and the actual apps, it should show a change log or a news feed or upcoming events and things like that, giveaways, you know, other kind of news feed things that they could put in here. I think that would be really cool to see in there. Under the search, this is a completely app-wide working search. As for example, I just typed in movie and movie box came up. If I go ahead and type in something like AJ170, as you can see, it doesn't show up because I am not inside of the app. Hint. So yeah, as you guys can see, this app has been fully updated. It's got a lot of new and really cool features. I love the way this one looks. Basically, it's almost like the iOS 11 App Store. When you click install, it does redirect you to Safari to install it, guys. Just one of the things that needs to be fixed in the app. That will be fixed eventually inside the future, or it's supposed to be like that. I have no idea. So after watching this video, go ahead, use AppValley. Then I want you guys to come back to this video, go to the comments, and leave a comment on either if the app is good the way it is, if you liked the older version better, if you want a hot pink theme, if you want a sexy carrot theme, or if you want to change something. Go ahead, leave your comment and opinion inside of the description. It'll help the developer out. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.